Hey guys, so in looking at our calendar here, last week you should have done 3.06 and 401. That's what's due tomorrow, April the 13th. What you're going to be doing this week is 4.02 and 4.03. You will notice Friday the 10th was the start of the last 6 weeks. We have 6 weeks of school left, and we are almost done. So let's look at what you had to do last week. Make sure everybody understood that. 306, the selling process. We talked about the customer, the trust issue. You had some notes. There was a video, your lap, your chapter book, another video. You had 3 discussions. The 306, trust, building that customer-seller relationship. There's a video, and then you have to answer 10 questions on how to build trust. Differences in customer journeys. We talk about B2B selling, which is business to business, or B2C selling, business to customer selling, and you give specific examples from the video. Excuse me. So then the cultural differences in the selling process. This is a really neat. Nike branched out and embraced other cultures besides. They're not sticking to one culture, and that's what you're talking about in this paragraph essay, which is 3 to 5 sentences. Then you had your 306 post-test. That was that part of last week. 4.01 was the other part of last week. All you had to do for 4.01, there's only 3 vocabulary words. It's pricing. And we talk about predatory pricing with Amazon, and then you had your post-test. So there was only 2 assignments for 4.01. Now, this week, you are doing 4.02 and 4.03. For 4.02, we're talking about ethics and legal considerations in selling. You have your vocabulary, PowerPoint notes. You have a discussion on EpiPen and prices, and the ethics that comes with somebody's life versus making money. Then you can see the notes I've typed up for you on pricing laws. And then you have a discussion on establishing a selling price when it comes to being ethical in competition with another business. So how you handle another business. If you have some competition, you're going to answer 4 questions. Put that in your discussion, and you are done with 4.02. Then you're going to go ahead and go to 4.03 this week. You're going to see, we're talking about setting prices, and you got a lot more vocabulary words. 4.03. You got your lab and a video, and then you have the 402 and 403 post-test. So you only have the post-test in 4.02 and 4.03, okay? Then you have the Unit 4 assessment that you need to take. So if you did everything you were supposed to, if you did 306 and 401 last week, then this week should be a breeze because you only have, let's see, 2 discussions and 1 quiz and 1 test. Okay, so as long as you did last week's, then you're good. If you are struggling or having questions, I ask that you reach out to me through Remind or whatever venue, email that you're more comfortable with, and let me know how I can help you. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great week.